Every single morning, almost 95% of people wake up and immediately grab their phone. And the crazy part, they don't even realize they just gave away their most powerful hour. While you're scrolling through social media, someone else has already worked out, planned their day, and they're winning before 7 a.m. While you're hitting snooze, someone else is building the exact life you keep dreaming about. And then after. One year you look at their success and whisper the same comforting lie. Next year I'll fix my mornings. But that next year never comes. Here's a truth most people aren't ready to face. The world's top CEOs, elite athletes, and self-made millionaires all share a single weapon. It's not talent, it's not luck, it's the morning routine. The hour when the world is quiet, the mind is sharp, and the path ahead becomes clear. Science even proves this. Your brain works almost 45% faster in the first hour after waking up, yet 99% of people hand this golden hour over to their phone. That's the dark truth. Every time you scroll first thing in the morning, you're giving your best energy to other people's content, donating your focus to algorithms, trading your dreams for 30 minutes of fake connection. And while you do that, your competitor has already finished their workout, written their goals, and claimed the first win of the day. But today you change your story. Build a morning routine not to work more, but to reclaim the hours of your life that genuinely belong to you. Wake up, drink water, no phone for the first 30 minutes. Move your body, stretch, or walk for 10 minutes. Write down 3 clear goals for the day. Read for 15 minutes something that improves your mind. Protect these morning minutes for 30 days like your future depends on them, because it does. 5 years from now, you will become one of 2 people. The one who transformed everything, or the one who wasted 1,825 mornings scrolling, waiting for the right time. Your life is built by morning choices, and the choice starts now. No one is coming to wake you up. No one is coming to build your dream for you. In the end, it's always you versus you. Wake up with purpose, move with intention, plan before the world distracts you. Because the world doesn't need a more perfect version of you. It needs a more disciplined one, a more awake one, a more dangerous one. And if this message hit you even a little, comment. I'm starting tomorrow. And before you scroll, just remember this. Every big achievement starts from small morning habits. Every success story starts with someone who decided to wake up differently. And one day you'll look back and see how far you came because you chose to own your mornings. So if you felt even a little spark today, save this video.